Hello, Postbox Hall here. I'm looking at what Google would think you would need for a post-apocalypse survival kit. And it says it requires so food, water. It's basically just, I honestly, just a regular survival kit. Let's go here. Well, IFAC, of course. Um, and if it's a post-apocalypse, depending on what it is, depending on what you need. But yeah, so basically just a regular kit. Hey, boo-boo kit. Yeah. Honestly, I will use, instead of antibiotic ointment, I will use hand sanitizer. Well, personally for me, because, I don't really feel pain. I have high pain tolerance. So yeah, let me just do this. This is just a Google AI thingy. It's kind of helped me, so yeah. Focus on a durable bug out and bugger bag. Prioritize water, fire starting, shelter building, first aid, trauma, and food for me, yeah. So yeah. So basically, water filters, chemical purification, food supply, cooking vessel, fire starter, weather protection, cordage. Note, since you'll be using the cordage for everything, just get a good cheapo little thing of like $1.50, $1.25. I forgot how much it costs. Dental floss. Yeah, seriously. That's why. I think that's why Cody Landine, which is recommends it because it's cheap. You're gonna be using the inside paracord thing, paracord strands anyway, right? So just cut out middleman, pay $1.50 for over 420 feet, which are 140 yards, of wax dental floss. This Rexall is really good. Get the wax dental floss, not the minted wax stuff. I have like 3, 4. I have this as prep for cordage, and I carry it with me. Handsaw, which yeah, I would do a handsaw actually. I would do a handsaw. Dear God, I would, because that's gonna save your hands. Heavy duty gear, or gorilla, or duct tape. If you want a good duct tape that's cheap, the Dollar Tree heavy duty stuff is really good. That's the only one I would use if I don't have gorilla. IFAC, of course, cat tourniquet, which is the basic bare bones one. Actually, no, the basic bones one would be the one that you, when you get your blood taken, they do that. Actually, next time I'm gonna say, can I just get that? Basic first aid kit, boo boo kit with blah blah blah, hygiene and sanitation. Okay, for tips, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, I just carry dental floss with me. One, is cheap, everyone can afford it, and you're going to be using the inside strands of paracord anyway. And that's only like 100 feet. This is 420 feet for $1.50. $1.25, $1.50, or $1, depending on where you get it. One thing I would actually put also is a small little multi-tool and a Swiss Army knife SD Classic, because that could do so much with so little. I have a video planned of doing so, showing you how. I'm gonna try to make a spear with this. Let's see if I can actually make the spear. It's a decent I forgot what it's called. The file on here is on the little. This one is pretty decent. So yeah. So I hope y'all enjoy watching the prequel, the beginning. I had fun with it. Let me delete this one because it's like, let me do the beginning. Right. So yeah. Yeah, it's also the reason why I love Grim Workshop, because I can just, like, oh no, no, and I can have a little bit of gear there. One piece of gear I do carry with me is the signature cord. You know, I carry some signature cord and all that with me. I carry a little bit of cordage. I think it's a Joe Flowers signature cord. Because I can use the spear for fishing or even hunting. I have a little bit of cordage in my prayer box. I think it's called a prayer box. Yeah, prayer box. I made this into a little kit too, with some, other things. I am starting to carry just a little, like a scout type knife. But I'm also carrying, what's in here? I forgot what's in here. This basic boo-boo kit, the First Aid portable pack, the 15 pack. I got at Dollar Tree for Dollar General for like $1. Yeah, just do the Dollar Tree if you have one. What's in here anyway for gear? What is this? Oh, oh wow. Oh wow, I forgot about this. Oh, okay, so yeah, I have a basic. Okay, so I have the hand fishing cord. That's good. I have the extra long spool cord. And I have a lockpick cord. So yeah, I'm pretty good for that. I know, actually no, it was this one I'm thinking about. Huh. So yeah. So I got a little bit of gear in here, so if I have to fish, I can just do that without having to do anything. And yeah, like, honestly, I have like a little cheapo, deep bow, as we'll call it in trade. For a state kit, which is a 15, no, I think it's more than 15 in here. Yeah, I did, I put more, I'll call prep pads in here, I know that. Because, you don't know when you're going to need them. Let me put these cards in here. I think I have the, I don't know why I put the, which one card in there at all, so, yeah. So, yeah, you can also use non-matte wax, or non-minted, the basic wax dental floss that's not minted for suturing, too. And it's probably waterproof, too. So, yes. So thank you all for watching, and, here's where my knife went. I have two knives, one, and I have my other one, I think it's an Imperial one that I have, but yeah, that's what it basically just a little burger bag, to be honest. Anyway. God bless and peace. God is for us, if against us. Is in Postbox Host. Hope we survive in the wasteland. God bless and peace.